Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hyper-V features and reset virtualization step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Hyper-V features, first, open the Start menu. Type Turn Windows Features on or off in the search bar and press Enter. In the Windows Features window, look for Hyper-V. Expand the Hyper-V section by clicking the plus sign next to it. Uncheck the box next to Hyper-V. Click OK to save your changes. Windows will begin to uninstall the Hyper-V features. Once the process is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. After the restart, open the Start menu again. Type CMD in the search bar and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator to open the command prompt with elevated permissions. In the command prompt, type bcddid/set hypervisor launch type off and press Enter. This command disables the hypervisor. Next, type shutdown/r/t00 to restart your computer immediately. Once your computer reboots, Hyper-V will be completely uninstalled. If you wish to reset virtualization settings, open the command prompt again as an administrator. Type bcddit/set hypervisor launch type auto and press Enter. This command sets the hypervisor to launch automatically when the system starts. Finally, restart your computer once more to apply all changes. Now, Hyper-V features are uninstalled, and your virtualization settings have been reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.